Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very excited video and this is gonna be Saint Laurent unboxing. So I'm very excited about this item because I wanted Saint Laurent bag like for a while now, and I finally had a chance to get it. So it wasn't easy to buy it as I thought it should be, because okay, let me just put it here. Let me put it here and then I tell more about this. So this is a huge Saint Laurent bag and it's very big one. As you can see, it's super long. Okay, so what I'm trying to say about this item, I was looking for a bag like for a while, and I finally stepped by to Saks Fifth Avenue store in Manhattan, and I got the beige one, it's called natural beige. It's like the lightest one of them all. And then I got home and started like looking it around and see how it looks and quality and everything. I found some scratches in it, so it wasn't like super big scratches, it was just small ones like on the corners, and it's not really super visible or something. So but anyway, when you pay that much for like a crossbody bag, for designer one, you want it to be perfect without any issues to be. So I actually next day I went back to the Saks Yves Saint Laurent boutique in Saks, and told them what I have issue and that I need another one. So they showed me another one, and it has another scratches like next to the zipper. So it was crazy. I mean, it's crazy that you buy that expensive stuff and like they show me second bag and it still has some imperfections. So I wasn't really happy about it. So they told me they don't have any more of this color in the store, they can order and stuff. So I said, let's just make it a refund, because I don't really want to wait until it comes to me and then just again, like I don't know if it's gonna be perfect. So I went to Yves Saint Laurent boutique, just Yves Saint Laurent boutique on 57th Street in Manhattan, and they said they don't have my color that I want, but they have it. They can order it from Jersey, and it should be like in a week or something. And I said, okay, let me double check in another stores around, and then I give you a call back if I need to make this order. So I went to house called Bergdorf Goodman and stepped by the Yves Saint Laurent boutique, and finally in this they had like, it's not natural ivory or something like it's supposed to be before. It's called, this one is darker a little bit and it's called dark latte. Okay, so let me show how it is. So everything goes in this huge nice pepper box that I showed before. I mean, it's super cool like this. Okay, so then all this pepper here, and this is a dust bag. So dust bag is actually super good quality. I'd say this dust bag is much even better than dust bag from Gucci, for example. This is how it looks, and it says Saint Laurent on this. And let's see the best part. So this is my new bag and I so much love it. Just look at this, how cute it looks. This is a standard camera bag, not the small one, but like I guess the biggest one of them. So because it's really big one. I mean, it's super roomy. Okay, let's see inside. Okay, so there is a lot of pepper here, as it usually, and it's a good thing because it helps my bag to keep its shape. And I'm gonna put some airbags inside just to protect it. Okay, so this is how roomy it is. I'm not sure if it's very good seen. So basically it has this one big pocket on the side, and this pocket is good because it goes like from one side to another, like completely big one like this. It will fit like any phone for sure. Okay, so they have here this care information, I believe. Let's open it up and see. Okay, so it says Saint Laurent here on this envelope. Saint Laurent, Paris. Okay, so in here there is few papers. Okay, this is like care information on different languages, I believe. So this is like in English and Spanish, in some Russian. So like this is information about like how to care for a bag. So basically, as they told me, all you need just some leather conditioner to clean it if you have like any spots or something on it. And let's see the bag itself. So this is super big, super roomy. I so much like that it's kind of like puffy a little bit, as we can see, and I so much like all this pattern. So this is like antique gold. It's not gonna scratch or anything because I'm not sure if it's seen good, because it's kind of like oldish kind of gold wear. So, and this is a good thing because I saw they have like in black, they have them in silver or like in shiny gold, but this one is the best. I don't know, for as long as I was watching this back online, I always wanted to be it's only with this hardware and nothing else. Okay, so let's, okay, inside there is one pocket, as I already said. There is nothing more, I believe. And let's see what it says here. It says Saint Laurent, Paris, made in Italy. It says over here, right here, yes. And inside it's all these numbers, that this authenticity and stuff. Okay, so as for this strap is not like detachable or something, but it can be like, it has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, it has 7 holes, so it's like easy to make the length whatever you prefer with this bag. And over here there is this tassel that I heard a lot, because I heard like a lot of negative information about this one because it's super long. I used to have different kind of accessories on my bag, so I'm not sure it's gonna be any much of a difference for me. So here it says Saint Laurent on this gold, the same gold, like antique gold hardware here, and this is all leather, so it's a cuff leather, and the color is perfect because it's not dark. It's gonna be good like with any light outfits. I wanted something light, but in the same time not like, you know, super light, so it's need to be cleaned like every time. But this one is just perfect. It's so as I said, it's called latte, and this is just the perfect size and the perfect color for any outfits out there. So let's say about the prices. Prices for this camera bag is like the same in every website and everywhere. It's $1,290. So, and with all the New York taxes and everything, so I paid $1,404 for this beautiful bag. I'm sure it's gonna be great addition to my collection, and I as well looking for the other bag from Yves Saint Laurent, because I was watching 2 bags, this one and the second one, the flip one. It's called Lulu or Lulu toy, like the mini, super mini one, and it's very cute, but it's super small. When I look at both of them, it was like almost twice smaller, and inside like there is no much space. You just put your wallet and that's it. But I still wanted that bag in some kind of maybe red or something burgundy color, something like that. Thank you for watching this unboxing video for Yves Saint Laurent bag, and I hope you enjoyed, and I'm gonna post more videos with more unboxing that's coming my way. I have a lot of packaging I'm waiting for. Thank you so much.